In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add some LED lighting to your kitchen. I'm 6 foot and I don't like it when I'm washing the dishes that I always have a shadow behind me. So if I have some LED lighting at the top, there'll be no more shadow because the light strips just up here. I went and bought 6 meters or about 12 feet of this LED lighting strips. You can get different voltages, but I got this one that has a silicone outlining so you don't see the individual LEDs and it just glows there. So this will go the whole length of my kitchen. I have a very long kitchen, and at the top I have these cupboards, so it's a perfect place to tape on the LED strip. And so I'll be just taping it about 1 inch from the edge and just going along there. This strip comes with this double-sided tape, which is good. So I just had to put the tape on, and then I also need to have a power. So I'm thinking about putting a power button here, and my power, I have this exhaust vent from the stove, and it plugs in up here, and there's a spare plug right there. And so I'll be wiring it down here and have a little switch that's on the very top, so I can easily turn on the LED strip so that I can use the kitchen, and if I'm cutting any vegetables or whatever, I could use it. So it has this plugs right into the wall. I'm going to snip that because I need to have the light switch to be able to turn on and off without just unplugging it. So I had to strip the wires just using some pliers. And then after you strip the plug, then you can rewire it, and you need some electrical tape as well. And it's not too hard, the circuitry, because I chose one that plugs in and then bought a little switch so that we can break the circuit here. And so one of the lines will go into this switch, and so that we can turn on and off. So it's just a simple 2-wire circuit there, just like a normal switch. And the voltage here is 220, but depending on your country, it could be 120 or what have you. So just have the appropriate. So here's the circuit wiring. So I plugged it in, and the top 2 wires goes to my switch here, and that will break the hot line from the plug. And then the other line's connected to the LED strip, so that will turn on and off the flow of electricity. And then I'll be soldering those connections and then taping it up. So it's basically a 3-point connection there. To add that, we had to cut the cable so that we could get the switch in there into the circuit. And then I'll just be plugging the power outlet at the top there above my exhaust vent, and I have the wiring just tucked up in there so you won't see this stuff as well. So that's the circuit. It's pretty basic there, just to the 2 wires, and you had to break it so that we could get the switch in here. I plugged it in just to verify that it works, and you can see when I switch it on that the LED strip, it goes on, and I already taped it on. So we'll just give it a try here and see how it goes. And you can see it really lights up your world there, and it just makes it more modern. And I won't have the shadow behind myself. It's very easy to see everything on the table. I even have a little working station on the right here too. So that's how to add some lighting to your kitchen. And this has a little switch here, and it just lights up. It looks amazing there. So I hope this video helped. And I bought my LED strips on Taobao, which you can find on Amazon. Everything comes from China anyways. The only good thing is I don't have to pay for shipping because I'm living in China now. But it's like the COB type LED strips. And I got here 2 meters, and it was only this under $10. So hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.